Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here, and October is of course the month of Halloween themes, and so I did a little Halloween take on myself. Now I'm not a huge fan of these Halloween nails with a lot of blood or bats or pumpkins, so I went a bit more subtle and I present to you my witchcraft Rune nails. So I'm coming in, I've prepared already my nail tips on a stand, and I'm working with this glitter gel here from My Color. I'm going to link this or a similar one in the description box below. And also this dark blue gel polish is already part of my winter color collection. The nights are becoming longer and hopefully more magical, so this is my take on fall, Halloween and winter. And I'm coming in and I'm applying a first layer of this blue gel polish, cure that for 60 seconds under my lamp, and once that's cured I come in with this glitter color gel and apply that on the tip of the nail, a good amount. And then I'm coming in with my nail art brush and I drag the glitter down towards the nail bed area, and while I'm dragging down the polish I focus on the bigger glitter pieces being where I want them and everything being nice and neat. So here I'm pushing the bigger glitter pieces around. And I already like where this is going. I cure that for 60 seconds under my lamp. Very nice holographic glitter pieces. And while that cures for 60 seconds under my lamp, I get the other nails ready as well, of course. So now I'm coming in with some top coat to have an even working layer, and once that is cured for 60 seconds, I come in with a bit of white gel paint. I'm trying to create my first rune design here. And this is real time, so you can see I'm really taking my time drawing the first line, and then I'm just evening that out. I have the feeling I'm getting better with my lining, but still it's quite thick here and there. I can only give you the tip to start as fine as possible with your lines, because once you start to even them out, they will get a bit wider, and I personally think it's a beautiful look if you have your lines as fine and detailed as possible. But yeah, it's a challenge. I'm still learning how strong I push my brush down on the nail, and most of the time I'm pressing far too much. So yeah, little tip from me to you. Still, I'm very happy where this is going. In between I cure the lines. I think it's hardly showing here in the video, but I have to repeat myself, guys. Every time you like a line and the overall design, give the nail a flash cure so the lines cannot smudge or move or anything. So there you saw me popping the nail into the lamp, and now I'm coming in with first small runes on my magic rune wheel here, so to say. And of course, the first one was a struggle, so in a moment you will see me wipe it off with a lint-free wipe and a bit of cleanser because the lines were too wonky. I think I touched it somewhere, or I don't know exactly what happened, but I did not like that first rune, so in a moment I take that off. I was very happy with this one here. Yeah, I'm trying to make it work, but the lines are too wonky. I do not like it, so yeah. If you do not like something, come in with the wipe and start from the beginning. So here, I take that off. Now I try again. Yeah, and this time I was happy, so I popped that under my lamp, flash cured, and now I'm coming in for some bigger runes in the outer circle, which were easier to draw, of course. And yes, I changed my music, especially for October and my Halloween themes. I wanted something a little bit more magical, but not too annoyingly creepy. Still relaxing in a way. Do you like it, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. So this is the nail so far, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I love how the glitter pieces catch the light. So I give that a last cure under the lamp and come in with my art brush on my next nail. And this time I'm trying to create a bigger magic rune Celtic piece in the nail bed area before creating some smaller runes on the nail tip below. And it's really hard for me still to balance the lines and have everything in the middle of the nail and in the middle to each side, you know what I mean? Takes some practice, but I think in between I even wiped this off and started from the beginning, so it's not like I'm the best here or anything, okay? I just, once I like something, I'm content and I flash cure. If I think, oh no, this was a fail, I just wipe everything off. I start from the beginning. So it's not everything that you see here and I'm not doing anything else in the background. I have a lot of fails, I have a lot of cleaning to do, and I try to take it with some humor and not be too frustrated. So here I'm going over some lines again to get a bit more contrast. I think it was a good idea to combine the dark blue gel polish with this blue glitter polish really happy with the overall design. So back to the second nail, and I'm creating a bit of a magic rune band here. So I did the 2 outer lines, and in between those lines I'm doing my magic rune band. And I just let you watch and enjoy the magic. Here I'm coming in with some top coat. And the second nail is done. Love it. This is the first one. Now I'm creating a third one, and I'm getting more confident with the glitter and my lines. So here I just put some of the glitter gel polish in some wet top coat and let that disperse a bit. And then I was even pulling the glitter blotches out in the wet top coat to disperse a bit more, to show a bit more of the bigger glitter pieces. And then cure that under my lamp, and then I painted some more rune Celtic design on top. And again, while I'm coming in with these first lines in the nail bed area, I'm trying to imagine the entire picture of the piece and where the lines have to go and how I can achieve everything is in the middle and nice and balanced. And I have the feeling that it's a bit easier if you have the picture in your mind and then you just follow that picture. So that's a bit of advice I can give you when you are dealing with these bigger centerpieces that can easily become wonky. I was very happy that I was able to connect the lines in nice and sharp pointy ends, and yeah, I think this came out very nice as well. A little half circle here, and then in between these outlines, the runes again, of course. And sometimes in the video it must look as if I'm working super fast, but I just have some parts sped up because I'm taking my time, I'm going slow. However, I have the feeling that especially with the lining, it's better if you draw them a bit more confident and without faffing around too much, because then they rather become wonky than nice and neat and thin. But in the end, it's all practice and you have to try it out. So here I'm retracing some of the lines, then cure the nail again. And you can see, guys, you can always retrace the lines and make them stronger if you feel that you have to do it, otherwise do not get too thick. Come in with some top coat. And here we go with my first set of Halloween nails for this month. Magical, mystical, witchcrafty. I'm super happy with those. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one.